Hello student, welcome to computer class. Today I discuss the chapter number 3, that is charts in MS Excel 2010. So what is chart? A chart is an effective way to represent data in the pictorial form. So a good graph or chart displays information quickly and easily to the user. MS Excel provides us with various types of charts. The data from the table is taken as input for making the chart. As the data in the table changes, the chart also changes automatically. It is easier to analyze and compare data using chart. Now, what is bar chart? A bar chart display data in the form of long rectangular rods called bars of different heights, displayed either vertically or horizontally. So comparisons between various data items can be made easily. In a bar chart, the categories are organized vertically and the values horizontally. Now, what is line chart? Line chart, it is the most basic type of chart and it is used to depict related information. It is created by connecting a series of data points together with a line. This type of chart is often used to plot changes in data over a period of time, such as change in fuel prices over a period of year, production or sales trends over a period of time, monthly temperature changes, effect of scientific experiment, etc. Usually in a line chart, category is plotted along the horizontal or x-axis and data is plotted as individual points along the vertical or y-axis. So a line chart is preferred when there are many data points or when data trends are important. Now, what is column chart? Column chart is the most commonly used chart in which data is represented in the form of vertical bars. It is similar to a bar chart, but the bars are placed vertically in this type of chart. So the heights of the bars are proportionate to the value of data. Generally, categories are organized along the horizontal axis and the values along the vertical axis. Each data point in a series is represented by a column that rises from the x-axis. And a column chart is used to show changes in data over a period of time or to illustrate comparisons between different data items. A column chart is preferred when height of individual points is more important than the trend in series. Now, what is pie chart? A pie chart displays data in the form of a circle that is divided into sectors. Each sector represents a data value and the size of each sector is proportional to the value it represents. Now, what is donut chart? A donut chart is functionally identical to a pie chart. So the difference is that unlike a pie chart, a donut chart may contain more than one data series. It displays data as a percentage of the whole. So each ring of a donut chart represents one data series. So the category groups or series groups are represented by individual donut slices as a percentage of the sum of all the values in the data series. Now, what is area chart? An area chart is used to display quantitative data graphically. It is based on a line chart, but the area between the axis and the lines is filled with different colors. These colorful and visual display distinguishes data more clearly. Users can also plot one series on top of another. So it is mainly used for representing sales and production figures. Now, what is 3D surface chart? It creates a three-dimensional view of data. It shows a three-dimensional surface that connects a set of data points. Unlike other charts, colors in surface chart are used to distinguish values and not each data series. Now, I move to the next topic, that is how to create a chart. So, this is Excel window. Already I put the data here. This is name column, this is salary column, this is donation column. Then at first select the whole things. After that go to the insert option, and in insert option go to the charts group. In chart groups I select bar 3D column. Select bar 3D column. So now data is moved to the charts type. Okay, so salary and donation, this is salary and this is donation. Okay, so Arvind, Sumita, Push, Bandana, Abhishek, all the data are converted into chart form. So that's all for today's class. Thank you.